Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This time, we are diving into the vibrant heart of Southeast Asia, Bangkok, Thailand. From its bustling streets to colorful tuk-tuks to the stunning temples and mouth-watering street food, this city is a feast for all the senses. So in this vlog, we will be exploring iconic landmarks such as the Grand Palace, Mahanakhon Skywalk, and more. Savor authentic Thai dishes and famous street markets and uncover hidden gems that only locals know about. So pack your sense of adventure and let's make unforgettable memories in the land of smiles. So, dito na kami sa boarding gate. We are just waiting for boarding time. Bumili kami ng 9 pa lang. Mga 11 pa yung boarding natin. So, ano ba tayo? Ito. Yun. Experience. So, dito na tayo sa boarding gate. Pero, mamaya pa yung boarding time namin. Like, around, mga 1 hour pa. So, we are just waiting dito sa may area na wala masyadong tao. Kaya nakakapag-vlog ako. Pero maraming bata kasi may playground siyang katabi. So, yung immigration experience ko, kwento ko lang. Mahaba yung pila. Like, siguro umabot kami ng from check-in to hanggang security. Mga 1 hour 45 minutes kami rin inabot. Sa immigration naman, ang nangyari lang is parang dalawa lang yung hiningi sa akin. Tanong nga sa akin, ikaw nagtatrabaho. Kung nagtrabaho, patingin ng COE. Yun yung una kong binigay. And then, kinuha yung itinerary pabalik. And then, patingin yung itinerary. Tapos, binigay ko, may additional question lang siya kung kailan binook. So, yun, sinabi ko lang din. And then, sinong kasama, sabi ko, siya po, katabi ko rin kasi kasama. So, yun lang, dire-diretso na din. Tapos, ayun, balikan ko na lang kayo. Mamaya pag-boarding na kayo. Bye! Thank you. So it only takes 3 hours to fly from the Philippines to Bangkok, Thailand. That is just enough time for you to have your quick nap and plan your adventures in the land of smiles. It is one of the easiest and fastest international getaways for us Filipinos. We just arrived here in Suvarnabhumi International Airport. Ayun na siya. By the way guys, meron na akong data. Ayan, meron agad. Inon ko lang yung nabili kong eSIM sa Klook. And agad-agad kanina, inactivate ko siya sa Philippines, sa Manila pa. So, upon landing, we went through the usual arrival procedures and then we went straight ahead to the airport rail link. Currently, we are at the Suvarnabhumi International Airport Station and then we will go to Phayatay Station to connect to the BTS line. So, we're currently in the CityLink line of their railway system. So, we will be connecting to Victory Monument Station of BTS. Thailand's railway system is a tourist-friendly and efficient way to explore the country. From the modern BTS SkyTrain in Bangkok to scenic long-distance trains, it is reliable, affordable, and easy to navigate, even for first-time visitors. Perfect for getting around the city or traveling to Thailand's stunning provinces. So, dito kami ngayon sa isang, it's called Mobile Steaks. Dito kami mag-breakfast. Harap siya ng King Power, yung duty free. Super budget lang ng breakfast kasi may pupuntahan din kami pero nagugutom na kami. Ay, yung mga gamit wala namin nasa hotel na walking distance lang naman yung from Victory Monument. Trinay kasi namin mag-train, hindi kami nag-book ng airport transfer. Pero yung pauwi, nag-book kami ng airport transfer. Pero yung papunta, hindi na kami nag-book para matry namin yung train agad, kung ano yung feeling, paano ba bumili, ano yung itsura ng mga ticket vending machine nila. Tapos para makatipid din kahit pa paano, kasi magkano lang nagastos namin sa train. First trip naman yun, sakto naman din sa dating namin. Nag-antay kami like mga 1 hour. Tapos yung first trip from Suvarnabhumi to Payatay. And then Payatay to Victory. Tapos walking distance na Victory to Picnic Hotel. And super gitna rin siya. So, very good. Ayun. So, balik kami later. Meron na kaming, diretso na kami dun sa first activity namin. Walang tulugan. Diretso kami sa first activity namin later, which is may puntahan lang kaming cafe. And then may katabi yun. Makikita na rin namin doon yung nabibilip talaga ako sa mga estudyante, nadidistract ako. So later po, balikan namin kayo. Kain lang kayo. Pakita ko yung food later. So, ayan. Kakain na kami. Ito yung binili ko. Ano nga ulit tawag dito? Oh my God. Kasi parang siyang chicken. Steamed chicken on top of rice, ganun. Pero mukhang ang sarap-sarap niya, ang bango. Tapos may chili sauce and all. Kain. Ito, confirmed na 69 baht lang siya. So, for mura naman, considering dun sa dami nun. Tsaka yung lasa. Ang sarap. Ito siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Sobrang niyang medyo shallow yung itsura niya pero bahay. Parang homey pa din siya. Ayan. Ayun. Sige, ayun. Magbubuk na rin kami. Papunta kami ng I'm Enville. It's a coffee shop. So, siya? Parang coffee shop siya. Hindi, cafe siya pala. Hindi siya coffee shop. Cafe siya. Tapos, may katabi rin siyang temple. So, hindi naman kami papasok sa temple kasi hindi rin ako prepared pa to go in there. Kasi may next activity din kami agad. Pero, goods nang mag-picture dun sa labas ng temple. Based na nakita namin sa Google Maps nung ginawa namin yung itinerary. Goods na siya. So, ayan. Punta tayo dun later. So mostly ng mga transfers namin, ginagamit namin tong motorcycle taxi service. You can download Grab or Bolt. Take note lang na medyo mabilis siya. So, and sometimes wala rin silang helmet na provide. So talaga, pray. And yeah, enjoy the scenic view of their temples, streets. And dyan nyo rin kasi mag-grasp kung ano yung neighborhood ng Thailand. So, yeah. So, andito na kami around the area nung pupuntahan namin. Pero, nag-iikot-ikot muna kami. dito kami pupunta guys. Yan. It's a cafe. Natin best seller nila. What's your best seller for iced coffee?
Iced coffee.
Best seller.
So bestseller.
Yeah.
This one. Bright orange. Orange juice. Topped with espresso shot.
Uh-huh.
This one is Thai coffee.
Okay. Let's try this. Two Asian cold. Yeah. So, dahil hindi pa open yung MNville, meron kaming na-discover na local coffee shop. It's called Number 14 Cafe. Malapit lang rin siya, walking distance lang rin doon sa mga temples. And then, pati dun sa MNville. Pero, hoping na sana makabalik kami doon. Pero if not, okay lang. Kasi, ako dito guys, ang baho ng cafe nila. Bumili ako ng SCN. It's a Thai style coffee. I'm excited. Ito yung order namin. It's SCN. And currently i-import din ako ng photos.